My favorite part of kindergarten was gluing, doing activities, coloring with markers, painting, and doing and drawing stuff with Sharpies. I want to be an NBA basketball player when I grow up. And my favorite part of kindergarten was at specials at gym. My favorite part about kindergarten is playing with my friends, and when I grow up, I want to be a football player. My favorite thing be a firefighter, and I like play with the tablets. When I grow up, I wanted to be a chef. My favorite thing from kindergarten was writing. But I want to be a ballerina. The first day of school, I wanted to meet Miss Horseman. When I grow up, I want to be a chef. My favorite part about kindergarten was painting.
Go.
Hi. When I grow up, I want to be a mom. And my favorite part of kindergarten is having friends. Go. When I grow up, I want to be a Beyblade master. My favorite thing about kindergarten is everything. When I grow up, I want to be an astronaut. And my favorite part about the kindergarten is science experiments. When I was gonna grow up, I'm gonna be a football player. About kindergarten, my favorite
Part of kindergarten.
kindergarten is gonna be math. Up, I want to be a gymnastics girl, and my favorite part of kindergarten was when I was painting.
When I grow up, I want to be a football player. What my favorite part of kindergarten was learning lots of stuff.
When I grow up, I want to be the conductor. When I play, I will play Thomas the Train.
My favorite, when I grow up, I want to be a police officer. My favorite thing about kindergarten is math. When I grow up, I'm going to be a police. My favorite part of kindergarten is learning.
When I grow up,
I want to be an architect. My favorite thing in kindergarten was everything. When I grow up, I want to be a gymnastics. And my favorite thing in kindergarten is paint.
when I grow up,
When I grow up, I want to be a police.
my favorite part
My favorite part
of kindergarten
of kindergarten was painting. I grow up, I want to be a teacher. My favorite part of kindergarten is choice time.